Did you get the ice cream sandwich? Woo, thank you. Oh, this is not the right one.
Well, for that price, it's the right one.
How much was it?
This 79 cents. That other $2.01.
That's the one I wanted.
Well, that's the one you didn't get.
I don't really eat these.
Well, you better eat that one.
I want the other one.
Well, you can't get the other. I ain't paying for that other. I'm sure I asked for too much money. $2.
That was $2. You
Well, go in
spent
there-
$2, $3 for
go in
a
there
pack
and
of
get you-
cigarettes?
You want to go in there and get?
You gonna give me the money?
No.
This not what
You ain't gonna eat it. I eat it.
I mean.
Don't play with me.
Now you knew you could have gave me.
And you might, once you eat it, you might like it. You don't know. You're just looking at the size. It's still the same thing.
I mean, I'm used to getting the other one. Go ahead, go back and give me the other one, please.
I ain't giving you now nothing. You eat that one.
Okay, if I eat this one, can you buy me the other one then?
No. I'm gone. I thought you was coming up here. You needed to go to the store.
No, I thought you were going to the dollar store too. That's why I bought a case of water. You know C&D high.
I know that. Reason why I say you should go to John Dollar.
You gonna take me?
No.
Why?
Because I'm going to take a car back.
Well, can we go in your...
No.
Why?
Because I'm finna go home and try to...
Look at you trying to come up with a story.
I ain't telling me no story. You the one tell a story.
When?
What I just said. I said I got a hangover. I'm going, get on the couch in
But
the bed.
guess whose fault that is?
Mine.
Yours. No one told you to sip on that yak or whatever you were sipping on.
I know. Ain't nobody made me do it. I did it on my own.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Well, how?
Somebody pushed you to do it.
Ain't nobody pushed me. When I went to get the drink, I was by myself.
You so speeding.
Well,
You speeding.
60 miles an hour.
That's speeding.
You look at that sign and see what that sign says. You the one speed.
I don't speed. I go to speed limit now. You speed.
And this is the speed limit.
You need to slow this car down. This is not your car.
Trying to get it back to him.
Not this fast, you won't. Yeah, this don't taste like the $2.79 ice cream sandwich.
Really?
It's not the same.
When you get what you pay for that, what they pay up there? What's that sign say up there?
60. And you're going?
Going less than 60. Speed limit.
Well, this ain't your car. You shouldn't be going that fast, I
Well, I'm
said.
going the speed limit. I drive on anything I drive. I don't fly down the road. It ain't but 35.
I don't fly either.
Down Mountain Drive Road, you just, act like you on the racetrack.
No, I don't.
You pass out.
It just seems like that because y'all just going slow. Slow.
And you know yourself, when you went to take me out for breakfast, I had to get you from under the sun.
So you didn't enjoy that day?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, but I had to drive because I don't like your driving. That's the same way I tell your mom. I say, now you let, when your car down, I say, she using the van. I say, you drive that van. I say, I don't like the way you.
Oh, you told her I couldn't drive the van no more?
Yeah, I told her.
You ain't tell me that.
I told your mama when she wants the van, not to let you drive it.
Right. I didn't know this. I was not aware of this.
Well, now you're aware of it. I look at you, tore up and had brakes and everything.
No, I don't.
Motor.
No, I don't.
Didn't you put a motor in your car?
That don't mean I tore it up.
Well, who
Car-
else drove it? Huh? Who else drove it?
You.
I ain't dragged your
You
car.
drove it once.
Yeah, I drove it
Then it
once.
might have been that day when
Oh, shit. Had to put a $3,500 motor in there.
Okay, well, my mom had to put a transmission in her car, so you trying to say she tore up her car too?
No, that's one of them
Things happen. Cars are going to break down, and you're going to have to get new
If
things.
you take your time with them, treat them like like I am.
Look how
I'm
many
old.
times you done sent your car to Sean's.
Yeah. But this time
And you done tore it up.
I ain't tore it up. Sean never fixed it up.
Well, you the one that keep going back and sending your cars over there.
I found me another man. That man, Mr. David, Reverend David. He's a good man. He's coming out here and finished working on my truck. My truck runs like a spider.
Which truck?
The Grand Black.
Oh, I thought you were selling that one.
No, I sold that other pickup that was on the line. My parts pickup.
This was good and nasty.
Maybe I should have got one of them because you said good and nasty. Maybe I should have got a break.
No, I'm not even gonna tell you to buy it. Like that those are nasty. The ones in Monaville are good. They breakfast tacos are good, but that truck right there, But they say the burger and fries are right.
There's some artificial fingernails.
These are mine.
Right, Joe.
Look,
Why are you shaping like that?
what? How else they supposed to be shaped?
Like Willem.
Not like that. Let me see. This is all the way wrong.
The cone. Tuck my hand. Look for I'm not giving you no.
You ain't gonna do nothing. This is the shape. This is called square. You could just say square round.
I like the ones with the pointy.
Oh, the stilettos. Where you get that from? Who you saw with stilettos?
Vanessa.
Oh, okay. Vanessa, she's still living there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, tell Joanne and get us some stilettos.
I ain't getting no nothing. So, you tell her, then she gonna be telling me, well, give me the money.
That's what you're supposed to do. You her man.
I ain't her man.
You are her
I'm
man.
a friend. She my friend.
Man, y'all older people always saying friend. Knowing that's your
When
woman
y'all
or
gonna
your
jump
man.
the broom?
I ain't ready to jump the broom.
Where y'all living in sin?
What you think you What you think? What you think you and Joanne doing?
Read together.
So what they call it?
Living
Not living in sin, shacking up?
I ain't shacking up. I see. I don't do this grown up.
What's the grown up?
6.
Ah! Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
What your friend doing down here then?
I'm cleaning with your house.
It ain't the only thing
Washing
she
up.
cleaning.
What else you cleaning?
You tell me.
Well, it ain't.
Rooster.
You know, I can't rooster like I used to.
You can't what?
I wish you'd hurry up and let me hurry up and get you on because you getting on my nerve asking all these questions.
You ask too many questions too.
I don't get a chance to ask you too many because I don't be with you that much.
Asking when I'ma jump the broom and living in sin and like you ain't been doing this.
I ain't living in no sin. She sleep on one in the bed by herself.
I done seen y'all slept in the bed together.
Well, we been in the bed together. We ain't did nothing.
It might as well.
It wasn't nothing between the sheets. Nothing going on.
There was something going on between them sheets.
No, it wasn't.
Y'all got a pair of legs. There's something going on. Tomorrow, you gonna be down here tomorrow?
Yeah, the man's supposed to come fix it on that.
Can you give me some cracklings? I go back to work tomorrow, and by the time I get off, they probably gonna run out.
Child, you ain't gonna come down here if I think about it.
I'll pay you back. I just need the crackers when they good
How
and
many you want?
$3 worth.
No, I ain't never got no $3.
What you got? $1 used to be, worth it, but $3. I heard somebody wanted $10 before. That's a lot.
Well, that man probably in San Philip. He had probably.
If I jump the broom, you gonna walk me down the aisle?
Yeah, I walk down.
You
Put
sure?
my head up. Looking really professional.
You gonna approve of it?
Prove of what?
Us jumping the broom.
Yeah. I mean, I told him. You walk around there 2 or 3 years ago talking about my wife. I told him right now, you ain't got no wife.
What? Who he told that to?
To Mikey.
Mikey told you that?
No, I told Mikey that.
No, he told you his wife.
Yeah, my wife told me I can park there. You ain't got no wife.
Why would he say wife?
I don't know, showing off in front of Eric. I guess.
Showing off. Oh my goodness. My car is up there.
God dog it. See what I'm talking about? Now, if I'd have came the right same way, now
That's
I got
your
to go.
business. You should have known that you picked me up from up top.
Well,
Up there.
well, why you didn't know?
Why you didn't? You driving? You the driver. What did you say? What did you say?
Don't.
No, that's not what you said. Now you, like Papa used to say, now you burning up all this lady gas.
Right.
You gonna have to put that back in there.
You putting up.
See, you so busy worried
I didn't put-
about my lifestyle, forgot to drop me off to my car.
I was thinking your car was still parked.
Now you was thinking of more questions to ask me. Couldn't even concentrate on what you doing. Worry about me and mine.
You're the one asking all them questions. I have
Worry
to
about
slow
your
down.
business. Worry about your business.
No. It's a doggone shit.
Nosy. That's what happens when you nosy and be dipping in other folks' business. You lose train of thought.
You didn't need to go. You didn't need to
I
go.
did. I needed a case of water, but then you going to C&D. I'm thinking you gonna go to the dollar store too.
I'm going to dollar store.
Well, can you pick me up and then come back in your truck?
No, I cannot.
Why?
You go to work
It's-
or whatever you want to do.
It's a favor
what
your
did
niece
I-
is
what-
asking you.
What did I tell you I want to do?
But listen, that's not my fault. You have a hangover.
Well, it ain't,
I didn't
it
put
ain't
no
your
beer
fault.
up to you and make you drink it. What, your head spinning right now?
No, I'm just sleeping.
Sleepy,
Ain't-
stomach hurt, ready to
stomach-
do-do.
I already did that.
BB go get you for burning up her gas.
Yeah, sure is. And I'm going to tell you.
I'm gonna tell her you were so busy worried about me and Mikey, you forgot to take me up there and take me to my
I wasn't
car.
worried about you. I just asked you one thing. When y'all going to jump the boom? You said.
The what?
The boom, boom.
The broom, the boom, the what?
Whatever. You know what I'm saying. Then you going to come and tell me you ain't ready.
But that's when you start. That's when you got
I
off
just
tax.
asked
Right
you.
up here. You asked me about jumping the broom and my car up here.
And we passing Rick. Out there, yeah.
If people would just stay in their lane and worry about themselves, the world would be so much better. Anything else you need to ask me?
I can't think of it. Don't ask me nothing.
When you and Joanne jumping the broom?
We ain't jumping no broom.
Well, when y'all go jump the
like
stick?
Like I told her, my wife passed away and she's still taking care of me. You ain't cut my money. I get paid the rest of my life.
Now that's selfish.
No, it ain't selfish.
That's selfish. That's really
Why
selfish.
should I let her cut my check off? Been married 3 times. She been married 2.
Well, make it 4.
No, I don't want no mother 4.
I mean,
And like I tell her all the time, I can do good by myself.
Well-
I have did good by myself.
clearly you haven't. You gotta help.
Well, that's because she want to be here.
That's because that's your woman.
That ain't my woman.
It's all right. You just, y'all can jump the broom, jump the stick, jump the branch, or whatever you
I
want.
seen Tara dead the other day. I didn't even know him. I say, hey, James. I'm like, now who are you? I'm a underdog grandson.
Underdog, not underdog.
I call him underdog.
Oh, yeah.
And he said, well. I said, oh, yeah, okay. You, my nephew, dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Come on now, you got to get out. I got to go. I made some extra running.
Well, you owe up for that gas.
Come on, get out the car.
I am.
Worse than Joanne. They can get it slow as her.
Oh, my leg.
Would you get out of this car so I could take it home?
I'm trying.
What is you doing?
My
Get on the phone?
no, this thing gonna rock in the way.